Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HSGX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Updates, somewhat of a right word, I guess. I think confirmation would be much more of an accurate term for this video, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos on mine. But if you have, then you know that I've talked about this green line down here, right around the 67-cent mark on numerous occasions, and the big point of confirmation comes about via the fact that on several occasions today, including the final portions of the day, the bears did try to press down through there. But yeah, as the chart suggested, this area at 67 is indeed a level of support. So going forward, 67 is certainly that level that you would want to see act as support. And, you know, you go back here and you can see it also acted as support. So there's now quite a bit of history, especially after today's price movement with that 67-cent mark, providing buyers there. So that is going to be a key level definitely going forward. In the event, though, the price does not hold above that level, I do want to map out one more area of support. I'm not saying it's going to fail or anything like that, but, given it was tested today, the next key overall area of support would then be at 62. So 67, near-term level of support. If that doesn't hold, then keep an eye on 62. Now, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, the one point that is nothing new would just be up there at the top portion of the channel pattern, that red line, which is at 83 cents. But more so the near-term level now to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line right there. So in other words, it's kind of pointless to talk about 83 cents and doing battle with that and breaking through it until the bulls can first prove themselves in the short run. And again, I'm defining and quantifying the phrase prove themselves as getting up above and then staying up above that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. So pretty rough day today. However, from the bigger picture, the price is still in between the overall channel. Got a nice bounce from the lower portion of the channel, so we'll see if the bulls can get things back under control to try to get up here and retest 83 cents at top portion of the channel or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.